Hello world, so tonight we're going to check this portable LCD digital microscope. I never thought I would buy something like this, but actually it could be quite handy, especially if you are working on tiny stuff. For example, something like this. Those wheels in the trains are so small, and to be able to place the index fingers and on the wheel, it is rather difficult. So for that reason, this is one of my latest purchases. So let's take a look at this one. There's the user manual here, and the digital display. Let's see if I can bring it out. So here is the cable, and there is some other things. So basically there is this stuff here, and you have to screw this like this, I guess. Then let's see how it works. So I had to do something like this to just be able to move this one like that. You can first you have to use them, of course. Take them out. Get the point here. Has to be secured. Go. Just it. You can lock these as well. Sorry, my little thing there. It's difficult, so just do it all the way here. course you have this plug here also. This. Let's see where we have this one. So yeah, that's okay. So basically you're connecting this one here. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, connected. It's quite short. This one, it's not that long. So basically this is how it looks, and we want to zoom. And there you go. Okay, so I have now plugged in the power, so now it's increasing here 4 times there. Let's see how this is like the focus. Sure is interesting. This is the blower I'm studying. It's good. So if we just, this is the input here. Let's see what I can do with this. Yeah, this is good. This is so good. As you can see clearly, using this digital microscope will be a great aid. This in this blower, Cal 218D, and this one is perfect, but this one doesn't work. But I will take the spares from it and fix this. This is amazing. This is really good. And very easy setup. But this power cable, not so long, so that's really a con. So I couldn't be more happier with this. This will be a great aid in the workshop. As you see, I have zoomed in really big here to see the details of the fingers here. This wonderful construction of the Cal 218D, and it is really fascinating. This will be a great aid, and well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just to show you a little bit of my coming projects, and hopefully someday I will be able to repair one of those below us. So when I have done that, I will upload a video. Take care and have a wonderful night, and yeah, take care, bye.